Hi everyone, so if you remember where I left off, I was adding some details to the downstairs of the spooky house miniature, and I added this little shelf and added some little knickknacks like little mini fake pots and boxes and a book. And obviously I'm not going to repeat the whole thing again, obviously, but this is just while I explain what this video is about. So this video is just to show you the progress so far, what I've done from top to bottom. There's still lots more work to do on this place, but for now this is as far as I've got. I've got to source some more like coffee stirrers, popsicle sticks and other little bits and bobs for the setup, but I thought I would show you what I've got so far and how it's coming. I do need to make frames for the windows on the inside. I've not done all of those, and obviously that'll look better once they're done, or I'm going to stick curtains up, something like that. But obviously I've got to get more little bits of wood to do that. What else? I'm probably going to put some more trinkets or other little bits of broken furniture and stuff in, but again that's stuff I've got to make, so I'll do some videos when I make those. I've just got to source the materials, so yeah, let's show you what I've got so far. So the downstairs looks like this, and then I'm just going to pan up and then I'll pan back down slowly. So that's the middle floor, and then there's the attic space. So the attic space has a few items and some dirt and leaves and different things on the floor. The middle floor has a boarded up window, one of the window frames done, curtains up on the one, and the flooring's got some bits on and is stained and has litter and everything. This is the sort of kitchen area, which has got some leftover jars and pots and things. So there's some more, like there's dead plant and bits on the floor. This is sort of like the middle room. I am probably going to move these stairs. And the flooring is aged, and I've started working on the windows. And I've added the shelf and some rubbish and bits on the floor. The room on the middle floor on the left hand side has got a curtain, half curtain, a window frame, and the aged floor with bits of rubble and stuff. Then outside on the balcony I've added lots of dust and debris to make it look like it's been there for a long time, and the crumbling like fascia is like put dust everywhere. In the other middle floor I've got a boarded up window, and I've started working on the window frames. Again, I've got a tatty floor, and I've got scrapings in the floor, bits of sticks and other debris on the floor. And then the attic space, which has got some bits and bobs and an old painting, and is made to look like it's just had junk dumped in there, and there's all bits on the floor from where the ceiling is giving in and where it's leaking, and plaster's crumbling, and there's like old baskets and stuff, and this is the progress I've got so far, and I'm going to add more to it, and there'll be more videos to come. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.